Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Happy New Year. I hope you guys had a great holiday season. And today I'm going to be reviewing this kit that is used to make paper bowls. So I'm really excited to do that. So let's get started. If you are new here, welcome. Be sure to click that little red subscribe button and turn notifications on so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now without further ado, let's get started.
So this is what the box looks like. It's made by Craft Crush and it is to make paper bowls, and these are what the bowls look like. Now on the back it looks like it comes with some glue and some cardstock dots. Now let's open up the box and see what's inside. The kit comes with a foam brush to apply the glue. This is what it looks like. It just says foam brush. And it also comes with some cardstock dots of many different types of patterns. And I think the bowl is going to look really cool with all these different types of patterns. Let's put those back in and seal back up that bag. The kit also comes with 3 sized bowls, one small, one medium, and one large. As you can see, they are pretty flexible and they are made of clear plastic.
But mankind won't be destroyed.
Last but definitely not least is this paper bowl glue, and I think I will be using this to assemble the bowl. I also forgot to mention that the kit does include instructions explaining step by step how to assemble the bowl. Here I have everything laid out. So I am going to take one of my little cardstock dots. This one is kind of like, I don't know, almost like an abstract pattern. It looks really cool. Then I'm going to take my glue, open that up, so now I have my glue open, and I'm going to take my foam brush and my cardstock dot, and then I'm going to dip my foam brush into the glue and brush both sides of the cardstock dot with glue. Once you're finished with that, you're going to take your dot and then just stick it onto the bowl. If it doesn't curve around the bowl immediately, just hold it in place. Then I'm going to repeat this process all around the bowl, starting from the bottom up. Since the dots are made of cardstock, you will have to press them against the bowl for a minute just to get them to stick. Just letting you know, this project will get a little messy, as you can see. Once you're done, coat the entire bowl with the glue until you get the dots to mold around the bowl. Make sure to let this dry for at least 5 days just to make sure it doesn't fall apart when you take it off the mold. Now my bowl has dried for 5 days and this is what it looks like. To separate our paper bowl from the plastic mold, what you're going to do is you're going to kind of peel off the glue almost from the plastic mold, and as you can see, it kind of just comes right off, and then you're going to do this all around the edges of the bowl. Once you peel off the edges, the bowl just comes right off. And as you can see, there is a lot of glue on the sides, but we can trim that later. Now I am going to trim the dried glue off the edge of the bowl just to make the bowl look a little nicer and cleaner. To do this, just trim around the outside of the bowl, clipping off all the excess glue. Once you cut off all the excess glue, then just brush your bowl with glue just for some reinforcement. After this dries, you're done. I really love how this craft is so simple to make, yet it looks really nice and it can add a nice pop of color to any desk or table. This is also a really great gift.
Alright everyone, so we have come to the end of this video. If you liked it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below what I should do next. Alright guys, see you in my next video. Bye!